Good morning. Today we are going to learn about the quadratic formula. This quadratic formula is using for finding the roots of the quadratic equation. You know what is quadratic equation? What is the form of the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the form for quadratic equation, right? And how will you find out the roots for it? Earlier we have studied about splitting the middle term. Means factorization. Right. Now, instead of this splitting the middle term, we are going to do the quadratic formula. By applying the quadratic formula, we can find out the roots of this quadratic equation. So, here using the splitting the middle term or using quadratic formula, you can find out what? You can find out the roots of the what? Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, we are going to find out the solution of a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Solution means what? Solution means the value of x, means the value of the variable, right? For the quadratic equation, there will be only one variable and the highest exponent of that variable should be 2. Then only it will be quadratic equation, right? So, for the quadratic equation, how many roots there will be? Only 2 roots, right? And for finding out these roots, we are using 2 methods. First one, splitting the middle term by factorization, right? Then second one, what is it? Using quadratic formula. So, when the question comes using quadratic formula, only this method you have to use. Clear? Okay. So, we'll write some notes. For the quadratic equation, what is equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Its roots are given by the quadratic formula . Now we are going to write the quadratic formula. So what you are going to find out? You are going to find out the value for the variable x. So x equals negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Now this one is the whole full divided by, okay. Now look, what is a, b and c? Some variables are there, no? What is a? What is a? Here we can write a is the coefficient of x square. Now look, this is the quadratic equation, right? And then b is what? It is the coefficient of x, right? And then c also here. What is c? It is the constant. Here, they will give you one quadratic equation. From there, first what you have to find out? You have to find out what is a, what is b, what is c. Then you have to apply in this equation. And one more thing is that here one plus or minus is there. What is that? That means we will write it as or x is equal to negative b plus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a and negative b, here plus is there, then what is the next one? Minus negative b minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. What is ABC? A is the, now this is the equation, right? So from the coefficient of x square is A, coefficient of x is B, and constant term will be C. Clear? Then one more thing you have to learn. So this is the quadratic formula. It's very important. Okay. Now next, what is the main thing is that b square minus 4ac, where b square minus 4ac should be what? Greater than or equal to 0. Then only you will get two roots. Clear? And what is the meaning? B square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. Should be greater than. Okay. Then one more thing you have to find out. Next section is that is called a discriminant. Now you learned about the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? Negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Right. Now look. Now the next term is discriminant. Discriminant means you have to find out this b square minus 4ac. That is the discriminant. Okay. So from the quadratic equation, b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. And if you want means, we can represent it by capital D. Okay. So b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. And what is the thing we told you? Then if you want the two real roots means this discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. Clear? Okay. Now we will do the problems. Now this is the first question. Find the roots of 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 using quadratic formula. They already specified that you only use the quadratic formula. Okay. Now if you take this one as splitting the middle term also, you will get the same answer. Okay. Now I will check it out this quadratic formula first. So first what you should do? Write the question. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. What is the next section then? You have to find out what is A, what is B, what is C. A is coefficient x square, it is 3. Coefficient of x is negative 5, it is B. What is C? C is the constant term. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now what is the next section then? You have to find out x. So x is equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Now what you are going to do is we will find out this b square minus 4ac first. What is that called? It is d. So just to find out b square minus 4ac, or you can write d also, no problem. So b square, what is b? It is negative 5 square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 2. So negative 5 the whole square, what will you get? 25 minus, what will you get then? 4 into 2 is 8, 8 3s are 24 equals 1 you got. Right? That means 1 is greater than 0. So we can find out two real roots. So it is, we will start now. X is equal to negative b. Already we have negative sign there. So this negative sign is extra. So minus or negative. Then b is negative 5 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac already we find out. Root is the root 1. The whole divided by then 2a. 2 into a is what? 3. Right. So x equals negative into negative positive 5 plus or minus root 1 is what? 1 itself divided by 6. So x is equal to 5 plus or minus 1 divided by 6. What is the next step then? The next step is x equals, now we can split. Here plus or minus is there. So 5 plus 1 divided by 6 and then x equals 5 minus 1 divided by 6. Clear? Just we split here. So x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 6, comma, x is equal to 5 minus 1, 4 by 6. What is 6 by 6? X equals 1 and then x is equal to, what is it? 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is what? It is 2 by 3. So, the roots are 1 and 2 by 3. If you do in splitting the middle term also, you will get the same answer. Second question. Find the roots of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 using quadratic formula. So, what do you do? What you should do? It is just write the question first. It is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. After this, you have to find out what is ABC. A equals coefficient of x, it is 2. B is equal to negative 5 and C is equal to 3. Then what you should do now? You have to write the formula first. X is equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Okay, now what is the next? You have to find out the discriminant capital D. If you want to write D also, no problem. Okay, if you write b square minus 4ac means you will be thorough with that b square minus 4ac. If you write D also, no problem. Equals, what is it? B square minus 4ac you will write first. No need to write these two terms, okay, together, only one is enough. I want to show you, that's why. Okay, then it is b square negative 5 square minus 4 into, what is a 2, so what is c into 3. It is negative 5 the whole square, it is 5 minus, here also 24, right? Here it is 5 square means 25. 25 minus, it is 24 equals, here 1 you got. Now what is the next step then? You have to find out x. X is equal to negative, b is negative 5 itself plus or minus root of 1 divided by the whole divided by 2 into 2. X equals 5 plus or minus 1 the whole divided by what? 2 into 2 is 4. Then after this what you should do? X is equal to 5 plus 1 the whole divided by 4 and x is equal to 5 minus 1 the whole divided by 4. So x is equal to 6 by 4 and x is equal to 4 by 4. That is x is equal to 3 by 2 or x is equal to 1. The previous problem we got 2 by 3 I think. So here it is 3 by 2. Okay. Now next question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist. If they exist using quadratic formula. That means you have to find out the roots. If they exist using quadratic formula means what? After finding b square minus 4ac, one condition is there, do you remember? It is x is equal to negative b plus or minus root of d divided by 2a when b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Then only you will get two roots, right? This b square minus 4ac either it should be greater than 0, that means positive numbers, or equal to 0. Then only you will get the value of the roots. Okay. Now I will find out now. First one. Start the first one. X square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. What is ABC? Here a coefficient of x square is 1. Here 1 is there, always remember, okay. B is equal to 4. C is equal to 5. Now the formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Okay, after that what you should do? Just find out b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac equals 4 square minus 4 into what is say 1. 1 into c is 5. Why we are finding out b square minus 4ac first? Because we have to find out whether it is greater than or equal to 0. Then only we will get the answer. Clear? Okay. So it is 16 minus 20, right? So what will you get now? 16 minus 20. You will get the answer. Positive 4 or negative 4 you will get. You will get the answer negative 4. Right? And what is the meaning of this one? It is greater than 0 or less than 0. Here just look, b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. Here it is less than 0. That means it is less than 0. So what we can say then? Negative sign comes means we cannot get the value of the roots. That also we have to write. Since the discriminant is negative 4, there are no real roots for the equation. Clear? So we have to write like this, find out it is negative, then we have to stop there. No need to find out the value for the roots. Now I will write the second question. 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So again a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 2 root 2 and c is equal to 1. Right? What is the next step then? It is b square minus 4ac. First here you have to write the equation. What is the quadratic formula? Not equation, it is a quadratic formula you have to write. What is it? It is x is equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. If you write the formula, at least you will get half mark, whether it is the balance is wrong or not. So next section, it is b square minus 4ac you have to find out. What is b square minus 4ac? b square, it is negative 2 root 2 square minus 4 into what is a? It is 2 into c is 1. What is negative 2 root 2 square? Negative into negative, positive 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. It's 2 into 2, 4, 4 root 2 into 2, root 2 into root 2, you will get the answer 2, 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 minus, what is here 4 into 2 into 1? It is 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 8, what do you get the answer? 0. And we got it here, b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal. They told it is equal is also there, equal to 0. So there will be 2 roots. So we'll find out what is the balance then. So we got b square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is the next step then? X is equal to negative b. Negative b means negative into negative 2 root 2 negative b plus or minus root 0 by 2a, 2 into 2. Right? So it will be x is equal to, so negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac you got 0 divided by 2a, it is 2 into 2. So we will get negative into negative, positive 2 root 2 plus root 0 is what? 0 divided by 4 plus or minus. Okay. So it will be x is equal to 2 root 2 plus 0 by 4 and x equals and x is equal to 2 root 2 minus 0 divided by 4. So, x is equal to 2 root 2 plus 0, it is 2 root 2 by 4 and 2 root 2, x is equal to 2 root 2 by 4. So, here root 2 by 2 you will get, x is equal to root 2 by 2 and x is equal to root 2 by 2 you will get. Again, if you want to cancel means what you can do? 2 can be written as what? It will be root 2 by root 2 into root 2, right? So, it will be x is equal to root 2 by root 2 into root 2 and x is equal to root 2 by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 and root 2 cancelled, right? So, x is equal to 1 by root 2 you will get. Here also 1 by root 2 and you have to write roots are what? Roots are 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. So, what we can learn from here? When b square minus 4ac equal to 0, what will happen? We will get the same roots, equal roots we will get, equal roots. Clear? When it is b square minus 4ac equal to 0, we will get equal roots. Clear? This is the fourth question. Solve the following quadratic equation 4x. 4x square minus 4a square x plus a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4 equal to 0. So, you have to find out the value for x. So, what are you going to do now? You have to write the equation once again. So, the answer will be, first you will start the equation once again. 4x square minus 4a square x plus a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4 equal to 0. Okay. Then after that, what is ABC? A is equal to coefficient of x square, b is equal to coefficient of x. What is coefficient? Two variables are there, but only coefficient of x you have to take. So, b is equal to negative 4a square. What is c? This full. C is equal to a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. Okay. Now, what is the next thing you have to find out? X is equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Then b square minus 4ac you have to find out equals b is negative 4a, the not all square, only negative 4a square. B equals negative 4a square. B square means, here this is b means b square is this one, minus 4 into what is a? A is 4 into what is c? A raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. Two terms are there, so we are keep it in the bracket. Now look, negative 4a square the whole square means what? Negative 4a square into negative 4a square. Negative into negative, positive. 4 into 4 is 16. A square into a square, a raised to 4. Right? So, it is 16 a raised to 4 minus. Here 4 into 4 is 16 into a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. Again, what you should do? You have to remove the bracket. So, it will be 16 a raised to 4 minus, just remove the bracket, you have to multiply with each one with the 16. So, minus 16 a raised to 4, minus into minus, plus 16 b raised to 4. Now, what is the next step then? You have to cancel here, right? This 16 a raised to 4 minus 16 a raised to 4, you can cancel. You will get the answer 16 b raised to 4. Right? Now, what you have to do then? You have to find out the value for x. B square minus 4ac, you got 16 b raised to 4. Then, what is the next one? X is equal to negative b. What is negative b? Negative into negative 4a square plus or minus root of 16b raised to 4 the whole divided by 2a, 2 into 4. Right, so it will be x equals negative into negative positive 4a square plus or minus what are 16b raised to 4? Root 16b raised to 4. How will you find out this root? Root 16 you know, right? It is 4. Root of b square, the b raised to 4. Root of b raised to 4 means it will be b square into b square is b raised to 4. Right? 16 is 4 into 4. So, you will take 1 each. So, this 4 will be here 4b square. 4b square into b square, what will you get? 16b raised to 4 you will get. Right? So, it will be 4b square the whole divided by 8. Now, what is this next step then? Here 4 is common. So, before that we will write it as split. We will split here plus and minus. So, x equals 4a square plus 4b square the whole divided by 8 and 4a square minus 4b square the whole divided by 8. Again something is common. So, it is 4 is common for the numerator. So, I will write it as x equals 4 into a square plus b square the whole divided by 8. And here also 4 into a square minus b square the whole divided by 8. 4 and 8 we can cancel. It is here also we can cancel. So, the x is equal to a square plus b square the divided by 2 and comma it is a square minus b square divided by 2. And what you have to write? The roots are, which are the roots? A square plus b square by 2 and a square minus b square by 2. This is from exercise number 4.3, second and the first one. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. And you have to find out how. Very easy only. What you should do? First you have to write a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 7, c is equal to 3. Then what you should do? You have to write the formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Then x is equal to, before that x you have to do discriminant, you have to find out b square minus 4ac. What is b? It is negative 7 the whole square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3. So, negative 7 the whole square 49 minus it is 24, right? It will be 5, 2, 25 you got. What is the next step then? X is equal to negative b. Negative b means it is negative into negative 7. Don't forget, put that negative sign. So, negative 7, then plus or minus root 25 the whole divided by 2 into 2. Then here it is negative, it is positive 7 plus or minus root 25, it is 5 square, so it is 5 the whole divided by 4. So, x again we have to do the splitting. 7 plus 5 divided by 4 and x is equal to 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So, x is equal to 7 plus 5. It is 12 divided by 4 and x is equal to 2 divided by 4. Here it is 1 by 2 and here it is 3. So, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1 by 2. So, the roots are 3 and 1 by 2. This is the last question. So, for question is 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. So, what is say? A is equal to 2, b equals 1 and c is equal to 4. Then, what is the next one then? X is equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Then what is the next step then? B square minus 4ac you have to find out. It is b square, it is 1 square minus 4 into what is a is 2 and then c is equal to 4. Now 1 square is 1, then 4 into 4 16, 16 into 2 is 32. So 1 minus 32, what will you get the answer? 32 minus 1 is 31 and here it is negative sign will come, and which is what? Less than 0. What we can say then? Since the discriminant is negative, what we can say? The roots are not possible. The roots are not possible. Hope you all understood.